What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Deadeye in Red Dead Redemption 2. First, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. The icon is your Deadeye meter. As long as this meter is filled, you can use Deadeye. Deadeye slows down time and helps you aim better. To activate Deadeye, press the right thumbstick on console. On PC, press caps lock. When Deadeye starts, time slows down and the screen gets a sepia effect. While Deadeye is active, aim at enemies. On PlayStation, press R1 to mark targets. On Xbox, press RB. On PC, press Q to mark targets. You can mark multiple enemies and different parts of their body. When you are ready to shoot, press R2 on PlayStation, RT on Xbox, or left mouse button on PC. Deadeye will stop and your shots will fire. Using marks can drain your Deadeye meter quickly. A better method is to activate Deadeye, aim for the head, take the shot, and then release the buttons so you don't waste Deadeye. As you progress in the game, Deadeye unlocks more abilities and becomes easier to use. That's how to use Deadeye in Red Dead Redemption 2. If this helped, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.